up, and it seems like there's no end in sight to the mountain of plates and bowls, oh my. And you think it might be too late. Just let it marinate, soak off that dry cheesesteak. Yeah, let it marinate, soak off that dry crusty plate. When the cheese and oatmeal are stuck and dry, nobody rinses the dishes, you wanna cry. And the cups and forks you wanna throw away. Just remember this lesson I'm about to say. Let it marinate, soak off